Ramadan begins tonight at sundown, and many people will start observing it this weekend. It's an Islamic holiday that lasts for 30 days. Believers fast from sunrise to sunset. The practice is meant to strengthen the person's bond with God, work on self-improvement, and also promotes community, with those of the Muslim faith traditionally often breaking their fast together at sundown. But for Muslims all over the world, this year, Ramadan will be a lot different because of COVID-19.
Because we are all taking the appropriate precautionary measures, to comply with, the CDC guidelines. It means that in all of our locations around the country, we've stopped gathering at mosques for our services.
Harris Zafar is the national spokesperson for the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, an international Islamic organization with a Portland chapter at the Rizwan Mosque in southwest Portland. He says during Ramadan, mosques host 5 prayers daily, and people often gather weekly to break their fasts, to eat dinner together.
Everyone looks forward to the social gathering. So there definitely is an overarching sadness within the community.
This year, people who would normally worship at a mosque will instead observe Ramadan at home.
We will be having nightly Zoom sessions where we could at least gather, have a reading from the Quran, and enhance, as a community, because the community aspect is very important.
In Beaverton, at the Muslim Educational Trust, things will be different as well. Wajdi Saeed, the president and co-founder, says they are trying to keep with tradition while also following health guidelines.
We maintain our 5 daily prayers in a smaller group, less than 10 people, just to keep that tradition of community, even though we pray, 10 feet apart.
Saeed says there will be a lot of sanitizing. In the time leading up to Ramadan, Saeed says volunteers have been putting together food boxes for families in need, with enough food to last 30 days.
We served almost 825 families in food boxes and support.
Some of those boxes went to Muslim families, food that will help break their daily fasts. But other recipients include families of all different faiths.
Let's forgive one another, and let's be considerate for each other, and may God bless us all.
The Ahmadiyya Muslim community also plans to have an interfaith virtual iftar. Iftars are the meals Muslims eat that break their fast. That'll be on May 9th. We'll have more information on that virtual community gathering on our website, kgw.com. Christine Pitawanich, KGW News.